Hey everyone, this is Armin from ArmensCraftRoom. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have you ever wondered what's inside those Joanne ephemera boxes? I have, and I bought a few when they went on Doorbuster recently because the deal was just unbelievable. And today's unboxing is going to be the unboxing of the Park Lane ephemera pack, which is labeled Pastels on the Joanne Fabrics website. There are 489 pieces of pastel ephemera in this box. If you'd like to see every single piece and watch me sort it, continue watching this video. This Pastels box was so amazing. I've really been on a butterfly kick lately, and my box had so many gorgeous butterflies, many of which were acetate or foiled or some kind of gorgeously colored. I'm very excited to use them all. I have a lot of flower dyes, and now with the Brights ephemera kit, a lot of flower ephemera as well. And I think that butterflies and bees add such a fabulous touch to these floral cards. It just really pulls everything together. And now I've got a ton of butterflies in the Joanne colors that will coordinate with all of these. I think this box was really amazing, and I think it had a really great mix of a variety of stuff. I had a lot of things going into my odds and ends box with the different imaging that was non-floral. And I also had a lot of butterflies and quite a few other animals type things. And there was a good amount of florals and, of course, sentiments and all, but I didn't think anything was really overwhelmingly high on the pastel. I think it was a rather fair mix of a lot of different stuff. I think this box was excellent. Again, I really think these boxes are great for beginner crafters because there's a lot you can do with these. You can put them in scrapbooks, on cards, in day planners. There's a lot of mix and match. The colors all coordinate. I did buy that shimmer paper from Joanne and some textured cardstock as well that were also labeled pastel from the Park Lane brand on their website, and everything labeled pastel that I ordered when it came in and I held it up to each other, they all matched perfectly. And I was really, really happy about that because that's something I'm really super into. So if you're just starting out and you don't have every color ink or every color cardstock or a ton of different stamps and dies, I think these ephemera packs are a great deal, especially if you add them with one of the assorted pads of paper from Joanne that has multiple colors in it, because then you're getting a lot of the colors that are in the ephemera pack in one pad of paper. If you can catch them on a doorbuster, you're doing absolutely amazing. Basically, to make cards with this, if you had the paper, you would pretty much just need paper, ephemera glue, and in my opinion, some 3D foam dots because I love to make the ephemera pop up. It had a great amount of sentiments in here, and I think almost all the sentiments were very usable for cards. There was quite a few also extremely usable for scrapbooks, and there was a good number that could go either way. So I think this was a really good value, and I'm quite pleased with the purchase. If you'd like to see any of the projects that I make with this, please like this video so that it helps get to other people and we get a crowd. Also, turn that subscription on and leave notifications on. That way, YouTube will tell you when I post another video. And I do put the product names in my title, and I tag them so that they're easy to find so you can see when the products are used, what I've done with them. I don't get everything I make on YouTube because the editing does take a rather extensive time. However, I do put most of my projects on Instagram. Almost every card I make lands on Instagram at some point or another. So if you'd like to follow along and see the videos, subscribe here. If you'd like to follow along and see everything in still shots with all the supply details, with the exact list of what I use on everything, be sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I'm also at ArmensCraftRoom on Instagram, and I would love to have you follow me. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today.